Hey, what's going on, lifestyle creators? My name is Ryan McMorris, and in today's video of ILCTV, we're going to be talking about how you can get your next coaching client and get multiple coaching clients to your business, all using Facebook. So today I'm going to dive in to my laptop. I'm going to walk you through every single step. All right, I'm going to show you exactly how to target your person so you're not messing around with the wrong people. I'm gonna show you where they're hanging out at on Facebook so you're not wasting time searching all over the place. And I'm gonna show you how to attract them and how to get them in the inbox so you can start closing more clients. All right, so if that sounds like a really awesome lineup to you, what I need you to do is hit that thumbs up. All right, I need you to stay to the end of this video so I can show you each and every step on how you can get your next coaching client. All right, welcome back. This is ILCTV. If you're new here, make sure to say hello. Make sure to leave a question in the comments, and welcome to ILCTV. Make sure you get subscribed if you enjoy this video, okay? If you're not new, welcome back, all right? We are so pumped that you came back and you want to talk about how you can get more clients, all right? So I have used Facebook to get hundreds of coaching clients over the years. I've been coaching since 2015. I started out as a network marketing coach. I was building my network marketing business, and I was recruiting and building a team, and a lot of other network marketers, they wanted to know how to do that as well. So I started coaching other people, and since then we've built a multiple six-figure coaching business. So if you are a coach and you want to take your business to the next level with passive income, you want the strategies that work, you want the mindset, the tricks and tips that work to build a successful coaching business, you're in the right place. Now, Facebook has been an awesome tool because I truly think that a lot of coaches out there, they want to run the ads, they want to have the automation, but one of the things that's helped us create a successful coaching business is using Facebook, a tool like Facebook and Instagram, to go out there and prospect our people, figure out exactly what they want, then give it to them, create testimonials, and then you start running ads and doing all the stuff, okay? Now, you can run ads anytime you want, but this is just what's worked for us. So I'm a big fan of free marketing at the time, paid marketing, so you can throw that on top, add some fuel to the fire. But ultimately, we want to get to where we create a system in our coaching business, and we're not just, running off of just, phone calls. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to dive into my laptop right now. But before I do, make sure that you look in the description box for goodies. Okay. So we have some really cool goodies for you today. We've got our customer avatar training that is really, really awesome. So you make sure you go through that after this video. We've got high ticket sales closing scripts, so you can download those. And what else do we got? And we've also got a really, really special offer for you. You can download a done for you consultation funnel. So this is a very simple funnel that we've done for you. You can literally use the copy, use the page. All you gotta do is click it and it'll show up in your funnel account. And you can use this to book more phone calls with your ideal person and then use our sales scripts to close them to the highest packages. Can't beat that, all right? So let's dive into Facebook really quick and take a look at what's going down so you can get your next coaching client. All right, so what I'm gonna do for you is I'm gonna actually go into a personal Facebook account and show you what I would do, especially if I was a new coach, I'm looking to get my first client, or maybe I'm really looking to get my coaching business off the ground and start get consistent clients, all right? So I'm gonna share my screen with you. And again, make sure that you go to the description box and grab the free giveaways that we have for you. Grab a free training so you can learn how to build a multiple six-figure coaching business from home. All right, now feel free to hit me up on Facebook. Try to get back to every message that I can. But if you have questions on anything, just let me know, okay? Now, a lot of times, again, like I said, coaches, they want the automation. They want a lot of stuff done for you. But this is how you you make sure that you're not losing money on your advertising is you kind of go right to the source. Okay. So let's just say I'm building a health coaching business and I want to attract more people to me that are interested in using my services as a health coach. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a list first because I want to know exactly who I'm targeting. So first of all, I want to go through my customer avatar sheet. So I want to make sure that I have all the details, all the problems out. That way I know exactly who I'm looking for. And so let's just say who I'm looking for, who I help to work with. So there was a lady that reached out to us who did, I think she really helps people build muscle. Okay. So maybe she just helps women get lean. And so let's just say women, muscle. Okay. So I'm just going to type in muscle. Now it could end up going down a rabbit trail, but what you want to do is you want to find some groups. Okay. This is one of the best things you can do. Facebook, muscle women, vegan, women's bodybuilding fitness. I mean, you want to go, muscle women. Okay. So, I may go there and then I may pick 5 Facebook groups. And then like some of these women, like what's their goal? It's really important that if you're a coach, you know, people want a result. People are paying for a transformation. If you want to get more paying clients and you want to be able to use this strategy, because a lot of people, they'll be, oh man, I want to go into Facebook groups. And I'm not telling you to go post in Facebook groups. I actually don't want you to post in any Facebook groups, but I do need you to get really, really specific with the result that you give people. Okay. So maybe you help women get ready for competition. So maybe it's like bikini competition, competitor diet. Let's just go here. All right. Facebook is the number 3 search engine on the planet. All right. So you can literally find anybody, like any group. Okay. So I want to just find my kind of niche of Facebook groups. Okay. So I'm going to give you an example because I don't want to waste any time by trying to like join these groups. They're not my groups anyway. So what I would do is I would join at least, 15 to 25 solid groups that your person may be in. Okay. So I'm going to go into the, let's see, we help coaches, obviously. So I'm going to go to, let's see, the Course Creator Incubator. Okay. So I'm going to go into this group. And sometimes you go into groups and people can't post, but you can leave great comments. Okay. So I'm going to go into this group and just a little through. So let's see. Are you on Instagram? Come find me. There's a phone. This is October 18th. All right. So what I may do is, how do you make money in your business? So I may go here and I'm going to just leave a comment. And so what my goal is to look for comments and conversations that I can go leave advice in that people would normally pay for. Okay. So let's just say you're a health coach. You would go into a group and you would just literally go answer questions and leave awesome advice in the comment thread. You're not going to post on the group you're not going to post on the news feed of the group. Okay. I don't want you doing that. I just want you going to the comments. So I create handmade gift cards and decorations and also provide my services and event planning. I am creating a coaching group to teach how to create automation. So I can just leave a solid comment. So I may say, that's awesome. Do you use Amazon? All right. So it may not be the best comment, but again, we're just looking for starting conversations because a lot of times, here's the deal, what you need to happen. Okay. You need to know who you're looking for. You need to know where they are. We're going to the Facebook groups, and then we're going to go into influencers. And then that's how we can attract the person that we want. But then the third thing is we need to really know how to attract them. Okay. And then after we have our account set up that's attractive and we know how to have a decent conversation and get them to our profile, we need to get them to our main offer. That's the whole point, is to get someone into your inbox and then provide an offer. If you don't have a solid offer at the end of all this, you're going to end up spinning your wheels because you don't have that thing that's going to say, hey, download this, grab this, it's free. And then it takes them through the process and leads them down to a consultation. Okay. So I'm going to leave a comment there, helping mamas create a journaling practice that fits into their session or their season in life and reminds them of who they are beyond mom. Okay, so again, like this isn't very specific. So this person clearly probably kind of needs help in our service. Okay, so I'm going to say, so you help moms find their identity after having kids. All right, so I'm going to leave that little comment there. Again, she may go say, oh man, that is good advice. Let me go check this guy out. She goes over to my profile, she checks it out, she hits me up. I give her our main offer, okay, and then it's off to the races. If you do that 3, 4, 5 times a day or more, I mean, you're going to have you're going to have people, inbox is going to be full, and you're going to be booking clients, especially if you use our high ticket sales scripts that we give you in the description of this video, okay? So now that you know that you can just use these groups, again, here's the 3 things I want to do. Okay. I want to be extremely helpful. I want to be profound in the groups. I can post, just little things that are conversation starters. And then I want to be funny. I want to be the person that's like, man, that's pretty funny. Like if you're in a group that you can post in, post funny stuff. Like you're in a fitness group, go to Google and type in like funny fitness memes or something like that. And then you'll be kind of the life of the party. I'm telling you, those 3 things, that's what's going to make it happen. Now, the next thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that your profile is set up for actual attraction. Okay. So when you're setting up your profile, make sure that people can see like at least 5 things about you. Like people know that I'm married. I have a good intro. So I create irresistible offers for online coaches their prospects can't say no to. So literally in a nutshell, it's an awesome way of saying we do marketing and funnels for online coaches. Okay. And then when they see me on Facebook, they like this. Okay, good. Boom. People like that. Got a little engagement. Okay. This was more of a curiosity post, letting people know we've got something coming business wise. And then here's just date night and, a preface to date night and then a happy birthday to my mom. So like you can go through 5 to 10 posts and really get to know me. Okay. Now I recommend doing Facebook Live at least, once a week or so. I'm kind of partial with where we are with Facebook Live because we do so much on YouTube. We're trying to get more people to consume our video content on YouTube. But I do recommend doing Facebook Live and really just letting people in your life, not really making it all about business. For me, our preference is more keeping business stuff on YouTube, on our podcast. That way they can check it out there. But essentially, guys, this is a really simple way to use Facebook groups to just engage with people. It's all about engagement. It's less about posts. It's mostly about engagement. One of the things that I do as well is like, I'll just give you an idea of what I would do in ClickFunnels. This is a group with over 230,000 people of a ton of entrepreneurs. So this is kind of like our niche and our people, all right? What I would do is I would go into this group and instead of posting like, hey, I do funnels for people or hey, I do marketing campaigns for people, I would literally just share a result that I got someone that has already paid us. So even today, I'm going to go in. I just built a funnel for a lady. She's in a network marketing business. And I'm just going to go share that funnel inside this group and say, hey, I made this for a client. Here's some tips that helped her as I made this for her that may help you. So I'm just going to be really helpful. And I'm going to show a picture of it. And I'm not doing it I'm just leaving it there. Okay. The right person will see it and they'll hit me up. Okay. So that's my suggestion to you. If you want to book your first client, like this week or this month, and you want to get a paid client. Now, I'm a big advocate. If you have not gotten paid for your services before, go out, do some free work, get a testimonial or do some work at a very low cost, get testimonials, okay? And then you can start to raise your prices. But you can use this strategy to literally just start getting clients all over the place. And then you can set up a solid advertising strategy so you can start to create some a lot more automation in your business. Okay, so we got some really awesome goodies for you. Make sure if this helped you out at all, or if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Okay, I need to hear you. I need to hear from you. Okay, make sure you take a screenshot of this video and tag us on Instagram at ILC University. All right, but if you have any questions, let us know. And if this was helpful to you, make sure you get subscribed so you don't miss any of the videos that we drop on ILCTV. All right, and again, if you want to take a coaching business to the next level, you want to create some passive income, you want to create an awesome laptop lifestyle out of your coaching business, all right, you're in the right place. Make sure you get subscribed. Make sure you hit us up on Instagram, and we'll catch you on the next episode of ILCTV. Peace.